The first official look at the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max has finally arrived, and the excitement around this device is already on another level. Huawei has now confirmed the launch date for the Mate 80 series and along with it, the very first appearance of the Mate 80 Pro Max. The name alone suggests a major leap in design and technology, and the first reveal strongly supports that. Right after the Mate 80 promotional teaser, Richard Yu, the chairman of Huawei Consumer Business Group, posted a video that showcased a unique smartphone with two huge rings at the back. Even though the name of the device wasn't mentioned, everything in the video, including its premium look, points directly toward the long-rumored Mate 80 Pro Max. Richard Yu even used the same device to share the official Mate 80 promotional teaser image on Weibo. That move acted as another confirmation. So yes, the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max is real, and this is Huawei's most ambitious phone of the series. Now let's take a closer look at the design. At first glance, the Mate 80 Pro Max resembles the Mate 60 Pro, but with a much bolder personality. The phone carries a massive camera ring at the top, featuring 4 lens openings and an LED flash placed inside the outer ring. The center section is empty but displays the Xmage branding, which is Huawei's modern camera identity. What truly stands out is the second ring that surrounds the first one. Both rings match in size and shape, creating a double ring structure that makes the phone look more high and than anything Huawei has released before. Because of this design, many users online are guessing that Huawei has introduced a new magnetic charging system. While this hasn't been confirmed, the double ring layout has definitely opened the door to some exciting possibilities. Huawei has not shared the detailed features yet, but even this short appearance makes it clear that the Mate 80 Pro Max has been designed to pull attention. The official launch is scheduled for November 25, where Huawei is also expected to announce the Kirin 9030 5G chip. The event will reveal the full specifications, along with other new products coming to the Mate 80 lineup. Now let's talk about the display, because this is where Huawei is making a big move. Fresh information suggests that the Mate 80 Pro Max will come with a dual-layer OLED panel made by Visionox. Until now, this display technology was only available in the RS Ultimate model and was considered a premium exclusive. But this year, Huawei is ready to push it mainstream with the Pro Max. Dual-layer OLED, also called a tandem screen, uses 2 OLED layers stacked on top of each other instead of one. This upgrade boosts brightness and reduces power usage at the same time. It also improves durability and extends the overall life of the display because the workload on the pixels is shared between the 2 layers. Apple first introduced this display technology in the 2024 iPad Pro, followed by Honor with the Magic 6 Pro. Huawei adopted it in the Mate 70 RS Ultimate and is now upgrading it further for the Mate 80 Pro Max and the upcoming RS Ultimate model. The result should be a brighter, more efficient, and more durable screen compared to traditional OLED displays. The Mate 80 Pro Max display parts are being supplied by Visionox and BOE, 2 of the most advanced display manufacturers in China. This combination suggests a strong focus on premium visuals and possibly a big jump in peak brightness. But the most attention-grabbing feature of the Mate 80 Pro Max is its camera system. Huawei has already impressed the industry with devices like the Pura 80 Ultra, but this time the company aims to beat its own record. According to the latest leaks, the Mate 80 Pro Max will feature dual-periscope telephoto cameras, something extremely rare in smartphones. A reliable tipster revealed that both periscope zoom sensors in the phone will be larger than 10MP 1.0 sensors. That means bigger camera modules, better low-light zoom, and cleaner long-range photography. For comparison, the Pura 80 Ultra came with a 50-megapixel telephoto camera and a 12.5-megapixel secondary telephoto lens, supporting 3.7x and 9.4x optical zoom. The Mate 80 Pro Max may follow similar numbers or even surpass them, which would be a major achievement in mobile photography. Huawei has already opened reservations for the Mate 80 series at V-Mall, hinting that the launch is very close. As we approach November 25, more details about the dual periscope system and other features will likely surface. The Mate 80 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of the most advanced and premium flagship phones of 2025, with a bold design, cutting-edge display tech, and possibly the most powerful camera system Huawei has ever created.